Hello everyone, welcome to Phulwari India, and this is the process of planting a water lily at your home. So we are back with yet another video, an informative video for you all. In this video we will be telling you how to pot your own water lilies at your home, in your home garden. So this is the pot we can see, and this is the soil mixture which we have placed in the pot. The soil mixture consists of 30% vermicompost and 70% of normal soil, nothing else. The size of this pot you see over here is 24 inch is the diameter and 15 inch is the depth of this pot, which is the perfect size for any house water lily plant. Now we have placed the soil mixture in this pot up till 30% of its height. So make sure you fill the pot with 30% of soil. And right now this soil is little too much wet, which is okay, because this soil right now is wet because of the rains. We have not intentionally made it wet. So if you have dry soil at your home, doesn't matter, you can use either dry or wet soil, because after you have put the soil in the pot, any which way you will put in water, so that will make it wet. Adding the final layer of soil into the pot. As you can see, now this is about 30% of the depth of this pot. Now we will, now this remaining is 60% for water. So the remaining 60% we will fill with water. We'll show you just now how to do it. So this is the water lily plant which we will be potting in this pot, and now you will see how we will pot this. This is the plant from Phulwari India. You can also buy this plant from us. We have got one of the largest varieties of water lilies in Phulwari India in India, and right now we will show you how to pot it. And these are the roots. So that is the tuber which we will show, which is shown, and these are the roots of the plant. Now you have to make a hole from your fingers about 3 inches deep in between the soil. Right now the soil is wet. Probably you will have dry soil, so again the process is same. In that dry soil you will make a hole of about 3 inches deep, and then you will place the tuber and the roots inside the soil just like this. And then you have to cover it up with the soil from all the directions, so that no roots is visible and the tuber is completely immersed inside the soil. This is how you have to, very gentle pressing of the soil, just so that the plant is properly installed inside the soil. So this is the rainwater which we have kept in the utensil, and this is the fresh water. Now we have already added some rainwater into it. We will be adding more water. We have to fill it till 60% of the entire volume of this pot. So more water we will be adding. Now we are adding the rainwater. Watch very carefully how to add the water. This is how you add the water to the pot. Exactly like this. You have to use the palm of your hand to pour the water in. Do not pour the water directly on top of the soil, because that disturbs the soil and the water gets too muddy, and it can also make the roots come out of the soil. So very gently, patiently, you have to pour the water just like this on the palm of your hand, and that goes into the pot slowly and gradually. So adding the last few buckets of water to it, note that the leaves of your water lily will automatically float on the surface. Don't have to worry about making them straight or something. That's natural. They'll automatically take their own place. Now the most important thing is the water you have to fill should be in a running state. That is, it should be filled till the top of the pot. It should not be kept even an inch or even less than an inch lesser than the pot. Watch carefully how we are pouring in the water till it is in the state of overflowing. This much water you have to pour, and you have to keep this level of water throughout for your water lily plants. Now we have potted about 4 to 5 plants in this pot, in this single pot. You can do this because only if you are using the same variety of your plant. So this variety is called this one is called Siam Jasmine. So these all are Siam Jasmines. That's why we have potted about 4 to 5 plants in a single pot. If you have a different plant variety, then it is suggested that you pot it in a different pot altogether. Now, how to take care of your water lily plants at home on an everyday basis. Now keep the water exactly this much in the pot, which it should be completely filled up. The leaf should be immersed and it should be in an overflowing state. So what you have to do every day is you have to change the water by overflowing the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So daily if you change the water or overflow the water, automatically the water is then fresh. Plants love it too much. Plants just love it. And other than that, the second thing which you have to do is find out any rotten leaf if there it is in the plant. You have to find it and you have to reach down till the bottom of that leaf, and then you have to just pinch the stem so that it comes out. You don't have to pull it. Never pull your plant's stem from the root. Always pinch it so that you break it. Break only one stem of the plant, and try to keep as less leaves as possible. Only healthy leaves in the pot so that you get the flower sooner and it stays for longer. That's all from Phulwari, India. Hope you have liked this video. Hope this video gave you a lot of information. And to finish it, do not worry about potting or buying water lily plants, because we give you complete guidance and we always hold your hand. In future, if you want to know anything about water lilies, make sure you follow us. And also, to buy water lilies from us, you can directly message us. Thank you.